Good day everyone, welcome back sa ating channel. So for today's mission, we will complete the Crow quest starting from Avilius. So we have 9 or we have 10. Then Bastium and Celano. For Bastium and Celano, 9 lang siya. 9 lang din sa Celano. Tapos yung reward dyan ay eto. Gacha for mount and itong weapon style, itong mga summon. So ang dami niyan. So, number 1, find the crow on top of observation post at Gas Howling Hill. So, para malocate mo siya, yung mga post, you need to click this one, the world or world map. Then, this sa lower part, world. Then, makikita mo yung tatlong flag. Avilius, Bastium, and Celano. Click the flag. Then, it says Gas Howling Hill. Click this one, then this one, teleport. Okay? Since nandito na tayo, yun, nakita ko na yung crow. Yun, nasa taas. So, pupuntahan mo lang siya. Yung location ng unang-una ay nandito. Ito yung Gas Howling Hill. So, nandito ako. Yun. Nasa malapit dito sa taas. Okay? Tapos, titingala ka lang. Ando na yung crow. Tapos, yung paglipad, madali lang lumipad. Ang technique, how to fly is double jump, 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 then hold S, then double jump. Double jump, okay, while holding S. Again. Again. Double jump, hold S, then jump, jump. Kapag bumabagsak ka, jump pa rin ng jump. Okay, double jump, hold S, jump, jump. You need to double jump again habang pumapata ka. Hanggang sa makarating ka dun sa taas. That's how to fly. Yan. Oops. Come on, fly. I'm stuck. It's hard to navigate. Come on, I'm always there. Yan, okay. Tapos, okay, it says achievement, Taylor's Crow, Avilius X1. So, punta tayo dito sa achievement, then adventure, click natin, check natin. Which one? Oh, at the top one. Dito sa taas. Receive. So, let's try. Open natin. Double click. Check natin kung anong lalabas. Boom. Okay, common. So, yeah, that's it. We will need to complete achievement. Complete natin tong quest na to. Okay, number 2. Well, it says in progress, pero nakuha ko na. Okay, bahala na siya. Number 2 na tayo. Find crow on top of an observation post at Verdant Lake. So, ilolocate natin tong Verdant Lake. Verdant Lake. Click the map. Then world, Avilius, Verdant Lake. Avilius, Verdant Lake. So, tapos teleport. And hanapin na natin siya dun. This is the second location. This is the crow. Verdant Lake is still on Avilius. Click this map. Then the location is here. Ito yung Verdant Lake nasa taas. Then dito. This one. Yung Verdant Lake. Tapos dito. Then tingala lang kayo. Okay, remember that. Then tingala lang. Yun yung crow. And nagkamali pala ako. Ito yung Gas Howling Hill Avilius number 1. So yung location niya ay ito. Ayun, nasa taas. Ito yung map. Kasi yung una kong ginawa, ito yung Gas Howling, tapos nandoon. Pero yung next naman ito, nandito sa part na to. Gas Howling, tapos this one. And tingala. Yan. Yun. Okay. This is the number 3. Yun yung crow nasa taas. Achievement. Adventure. Number 3, find the crow on top of the house at Gas Howling Hill. So, yung location ng bahay, click the map. Then, Gas Howling, this one. The house. I'm here. Gas Howling, then house. Okay, next. Nervad Temple Grounds. So, location. Nasa top. Where's the crow? This one. Right at the top. Tapos, yung sa map, Map, this is the Nervad Road, and this one. Nervad Road, this is the Nervad Temple Grounds. Ito, this is the location. Again, dito. Next is Avilius number 5, Saints Manor. So, it's on the top of the house. Pwede nyo ulitin kapag bug. Okay, you need to teleport again pag bug. Tapos yung location niya ay ito, nasa taas. This is the Saints Manor, and ito. This one, yung bahay. Observation post on the Field of Abundance. So, yun yun. Nasa taas. This one. Number 6. Field of Abundance. Ang map location. This one. This is the Field of Abundance. Nandun sa taas. Ito. Tapos yan. Okay, next is number 7. Destroyed stone building at the Monteno River branch. So, ito yon sa taas ng destroyed stone. And the map. Where am I? This is the Monteno River branch. Tapos dito. This part. Monteno River branch. Then this one. Then, look up. Okay, next. Avilius 8. Top of a pillar sa polluted temple grounds. Okay. So, yun. Nasa taas. And yung location. This one. Polluted temple grounds. Ito. Polluted temple grounds. Then, dito. Medyo right, lower, or middle right. Lower middle. Okay, and last but not the least, on Avilius Fortress, this one, Fountain on Avilius Fortress. So, let's check. Ito yun. Fountain at Avilius Fortress. Number 9 na siya sa Avilius. Then, ang location niya, ito yung fortress. So, ito lang. Ito yung fountain. This one, Avilius Fortress and Fountain. There. Okay. So, yan. Open. Common. Okay, let's combine. Yun. Okay, done.